gives me every time.
Hey, what's going on guys? The next big thing from Motorola is the Moto G6 and the G6 Plus and family. Starting things off with a very clear image of the Moto G6. It is the same design as the Moto X4, which is a really good looking phone. We have dual cameras with a slight camera bump, these textures around the camera and a flashlight and a Moto logo. Overall, I just love this curved glass build, and I guess it will be the best built phone in its price segment. A leaked video of the Moto G6 also popped up on internet. The video doesn't reveal anything new or interesting in particular, but shows us the already known design. Now these are some promotional images of the Moto G6. I will just shut up now so you can have a look yourself. The Moto G6 will feature a front flash, just thought to tell you if you don't already know. The Moto G6 Plus will pack 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, near 6 inches display, 3200 mAh battery, Motorola Turbocharger fast power delivery through USB Type-C, Snapdragon 660, Adreno 508 GPU and dual cameras of 12 megapixel. We also got our hands on some leaked Geekbench scores of the Moto G6 Plus. It scores 866 in single core and 4123 in multi-core. Android 8 and Snapdragon 660 is also confirmed here. The announcement of Moto G6 will happen on 19th of April, which is so far away. I mean, it is not so far away. The Moto G5 was a great phone and the almost stock Android keeps it smooth and silky, but I don't like Motorola ever since Lenovo bought it. Motorola used to be a champion delivering fast Android updates, but now we aren't getting any Android Oreo on the Moto G5 family. Even Samsung updated the Galaxy S8 to Android Oreo, and you know Samsung is one of the slowest to push Android updates. And seriously Motorola, you are giving away your fans for free to other OEMs like Huawei and Xiaomi. Other than slow Android updates, I got no problems with the Motorola brand. So yeah guys, this is the Moto G6. I can heavily recommend the Moto G6 Plus if Motorola promises timely updates or it turns out to be an Android One device, which I seriously doubt. Let me know guys what phone you prefer more, Motorola G6 Plus or the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Me, I'm going with the Moto G6 Plus. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech updates like this one, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.